Hi, my name is Roy Weinstein. I'm an economist and managing director at an economic research and consulting firm located here in Los Angeles, known as Micronomics. We are a subsidiary of Exela. We've done economic impact studies in connection with the Oscars, the Emmys, the Grammys, and various other iconic Los Angeles events. I'm here to talk a little bit about the economic impact of the Super Bowl. So what we considered would include average rates at hotels, how long people stay, how many people come to town, and what average visitor spending has been in the past. When you add up the benefits that I've just described, they are somewhere between $225 and almost $500 million. The state of California will receive additional tax revenue, but just LA, just the local community, will receive roughly $20 million in taxes. It will generate somewhere between 2,000 and 5,000 new jobs. Super Bowls attract at least 100 million television viewers, and this year I can't imagine it being anything less than that. SoFi Stadium is located in Inglewood. Inglewood is going to receive significantly increased exposure. The incremental revenue, the economic impact, just within Inglewood itself is more than $50 million in revenue. Inglewood is going to receive a tremendous amount of national and international attention. There's one more thing I need to say about this. I'm sitting here today in the Micronomics conference room. It's roughly 76 degrees on this mid-January day. Back east today, it's 21 degrees. When people see SoFi Stadium in February, and they see that from locations where it's the middle of winter, they think about taking vacations in Southern California at some point during the year. And those are additional benefits of the economic impact.